Hello guys, welcome back. And I hope you guys had an amazing summer vacation. Today I'm going to teach you guys about assets or integrated software, however you guys like to call it. So right over here you guys see all assets objects. This is called your navigation pane. So from your navigation pane, this is right over here. This is called the shutter bar, open and close button. And also, if by any chance once when you open your assets and this does not appear, click F11 on your keyboard and this will actually open up. And right over here, this is your filter button. And what it means by that is that, for example, if you want to check out your customs, these are all of your customs. If you want to do it by object type, these are all of your objects. Tables, these are ones that has tables inside of there. Reports, these are all the ones that have your reports inside of there. And also, as you can tell from here, right now it is categorized by 4 different kind of headers. So what I mean by 4 different kind of headers is, it is, for example, I'm going to show it to you guys. So in order for how a data that actually goes into the assets is, you need tables, which it is right over here. To access your reports, you need to have 4 categories. So you need to have your table category. You need to have your queries category. You need to have your forms. You need to have your reports. So that is how they actually grab the information and put it into your data source. So under the tables, as you can see right now, there's 4 objects that is under it. These are, for example, the employees, the units, the crops, and how much is actually harvested from there. Queries, it is all of the information. Forms, it is the form that you have filled out. The reports is actually all the data that's actually in there. And that's all about it that I have information about to you about the navigation pane. Come back on my future videos and I'll show you other information about assets. Hope this is helpful and have a great day. Bye for now.